Yes, sir.
Are you ready to tell opposite words?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one. All.
None.
By.
Cell.
Body.
Soul.
For.
Beer.
Slim.
Fat.
Thick.
Thin.
Sad.
Happy.
Give.
Take.
Wet.
Dry.
Busy.
Lazy.
Bad.
Good.
Cold.
Hot.
Kind.
Royal.
Boy.
Girl.
Short.
Tall.
Full.
Empty.
Big.
Small.
East.
Best.
Very good. Second line. Wide.
Narrow.
Strong.
Weak.
Some.
Many.
Smooth.
Rough.
Under.
Over.
True.
False.
Solid.
Liquid.
Refuse.
Agree.
Pretty.
Ugly.
Sweet.
Sour.
Rural.
Urban.
Rude.
Polite.
White.
Black.
Here.
There.
Import.
Export.
Above.
Below.
Notice.
Ignore.
Open.
Close.
Next third line. Chepnana. Include.
Exclude.
Increase.
Reduce.
Everybody.
Nobody.
Presence.
Absence.
Inside.
Outside.
Bottom.
Top.
Entrance.
Exit.
Defeat.
Victory.
Fresh.
Stale.
Failure.
Success.
Remember.
Forget.
Insult.
Compliment.
Same.
Different.
Melt.
Freeze.
Regular.
Irregular.
Opponent.
Supporter.
Often.
Seldom.
Ordinary.
Special.
Very good, Ethin.